there. Today I want to talk about my view on the pandemic and what you can do to boost your immune system. My view on the pandemic is it's Mother Earth's way of telling us to change and that there needs to be a major shift. She's taking control and she's creating the major shift now. And it's a big polarity between the light and the darkness, as you can see in the fear and love of what's going on right now. The media and the other way of life, which is physically being present in where you are and who you're with. So I think that the pandemic is so prominent in the United States because the food in the United States has been of such poor quality. The nutrient density isn't there, the food mileage, the pesticides being used, that is disrupting your gut, which is your immune system basically. Your immune system is governed by your gut, which gut and the mind are intertwined. So it's just a big cycle of destroying your gut with the food that the United States and all over the world is producing, feeding billions of people with this food that isn't nutrient dense, that is actually killing a little bit of our insides with pesticides and inorganic processes. Through this numbing of our body, our destruction of our body, we are more susceptible to viruses, more susceptible to dying, or getting very ill. What you can do to avoid becoming susceptible to this virus is investing in yourself, boosting your immunity through probiotics and organic local foods. Because the closer your food is to your source, the higher it is in nutrient density, the higher it is to nourish you. Investing in your local farmers market, organic produce, and investing in probiotics to repopulate the good bacteria in your gut that you might have lost through medications and pesticides. Daily life, stress, digestive issues, all of these things are deteriorating your gut, and you need to repopulate it with good gut bacteria. So I started with taking capsules, and then I started making my own kombucha, probiotic, sauerkraut, and kimchi, also kombucha. So kombucha, making your own yogurt, sauerkraut, and kimchi. You can invest in these products that people are already making because they know that there's a reason that we need to be eating these things with our food. Every meal you should be having probiotics. But if you have the time and the energy, make your own products. Get invested in your own health by taking charge of your own health in your own life. Making your own products, investing in your gut and your probiotic health. And that is my way to mitigate the pandemic.